We're diving into that feeling of being completely lost inside a powerful piece of business software. And then we're going to talk about the AI revolution that's finally making it all make sense. So let me ask you this. Have you ever just stared at your computer screen, the one with all the buttons and menus and options, and you just felt totally overwhelmed? You know the software is amazing, that it can do incredible things, but just figuring out how to do them feels like a whole job by itself.
It's kind of like being handed the keys to a jet. You're sitting there in the cockpit, you're surrounded by hundreds of switches and dials. You know this thing can fly, but you have no idea how to even turn on the lights. And that's the reality for so many people using really sophisticated business software.
So what's the fix? Well, the first big step is to stop making people leave the cockpit to go find the instruction manual. The guide is now being built right into the system itself.
Just imagine this for a second. Instead of opening a new tab, digging through some massive help website, or worse, calling a support line, what if the answer just popped up right where you need it, exactly when you need it? That's the simple but honestly powerful idea behind what's called embedded support.
And getting to it is designed to be super intuitive. In systems like SAP's Fiori Launchpad, it's literally as simple as finding an icon, maybe a little question mark, or a pair of headphones. You give that a click and boom, the help for that exact task appears right there. The endless searching is over.
And we're not just talking about some simple FAQ page here. This on-screen toolkit is really comprehensive. You can get official explanations for every single part of the page. You can run these cool interactive simulations that walk you through a process. You can see what new features were just added, and you can even get a direct line to support. It's the whole shebang, right at your fingertips.
But look, a built-in manual is really just the beginning. The real game changer is what comes next. We're moving way beyond simple help menus and into the world of a truly intelligent assistant, an AI co-pilot for your work.
And here it is. Meet Joule. This is SAP's next-gen digital assistant, and the key phrase you really got to focus on here is generative artificial intelligence. This isn't about just finding answers that already exist, it's about creating brand new insights and solutions.
So, what's the actual difference? Well, think of it this way. Traditional AI is like a brilliant librarian. It's fantastic at finding the exact piece of information you asked for. But generative AI, that's more like an inventor. It doesn't just find things, it creates new stuff, new ideas, new insights, even brand new solutions. It actually innovates.
Okay, that all sounds great in theory, right? But what does that actually mean for someone trying to get their job done on a Tuesday afternoon? How does a solution generator actually, help?
All right, let's paint a picture. A manager at a manufacturing company goes into their system and they ask Joule a really big, complex question in plain English. Something like, how can we improve our sales performance? Now, that's not a search for a report, right? That's a request for a strategy.
So, first thing, Joule doesn't just glance at the sales dashboard. Because it's connected across the entire business, it starts pulling and analyzing data from sales, from finance, inventory, logistics, everything. And it quickly spots a couple of specific regions where sales are really lagging.
But this is where the magic happens. Joule doesn't just show you the problem. It digs deeper, and it connects dots that seem totally unrelated. It sees that sales dip and links it directly to a bottleneck in the supply chain that's causing delivery delays. Now that is a connection that could take a whole team of human analysts weeks to figure out.
And here is the final, absolutely crucial step. Joule moves from just insight to action. It actually connects to the supply chain application and proposes real, concrete solutions to fix that bottleneck, all ready for the manager to review and approve. It didn't find an answer in a manual. It generated a brand new solution. So this isn't just some minor upgrade. What we're talking about is a fundamental change in how we're all going to interact with technology at work. It's a completely new way of thinking about support.
This right here is the heart of it all. We are moving from a reactive world where you have to hunt for help to a proactive one where the system actually anticipates what you need. We're shifting from looking at data in silos to getting a holistic view of the entire business. And most importantly, we're going from just finding old answers to generating entirely new solutions. As the source material puts it so well, the whole goal is for any employee to be able to just ask a question in plain language, like you're talking to a coworker, and get an intelligent answer back that pulls together information from every single corner of the business. The AI handles the complexity, not you.
So, You see, the future of software support isn't really about better manuals or FAQs. It's about transforming that little help button into something more like a genius button, an AI partner that doesn't just show you how to do something, but actually helps you decide what to do next. The only question left is, what problems could you solve if you had a co-pilot like that?